Why? Wait, is it recording? Yeah, it is. Okay, finally. Hi. So, oh my gosh, where's the app? Oh my gosh.
Now you just like getting in trouble. Like,
Anyways, why is this in the middle of the floor? It's supposed to be under here and then the wrapper. It's supposed to be for under
you just put it under the computer.
Well,
Well, okay.
So I'm here with just Pepper and Jules.
Hi.
And we're gonna be doing this like thunderstorm roleplay together, cause why not? Anyways,
Do you
let's
mean
get started.
because somebody commented? And please comment for
What?
some ideas.
Yeah, I already have the next roleplay idea I'm gonna do. But, like after that, I don't know. So like, let me know.
But we're not telling you yet.
Cause it's a surprise.
Mhm. Yeah. But we'll probably like post like giving you like guys some hints.
Well, we're gonna make it later. So like, yeah. Guys, pretend this says like 12:41 p.m. or a.m. actually, I should say, because it's dark. Okay, go get some water. I'm thirsty. Okay.
I just yawned.
Yeah. Anyways. Oh, it's raining really hard. Probably nothing. Let me see. Like what time? Oh, I can just check here. 12 a.m. Like, bro, I'm not like usually at this time. Let me make sure everything's packed for tomorrow, because tomorrow I have to bring like my Chromebook to school.
Pretend it's like the last day of weekend.
Yeah, so it's like Friday today. So hopefully nothing goes wrong, but at least I can sleep better since it's like raining. Oh my god. Why am I staggering so much? Probably because it's actually cold in here. Bro, it's like freezing.
Don't mind where we at. Just don't ask, please.
We're in a cabin.
Bruh.
I don't know which one. And they won't know what country, state, whatever.
Yeah, hopefully. Don't tell them.
No.
Yeah.
What are you doing? It's cold, okay? My iPad's tipping over. Anyways, okay, we'll go back to bed. A couple, like 2 hours later. Oh my god, why is her glasses still on? She's supposed to be asleep. Okay, I'm just gonna check on the baby. What time is it? Anyways, okay, seems like it's 2 a.m. Okay, girls get up in like 3 hours. But it's okay. You could be the baby, by the way. Okay, well, time to get the baby. By the way, you guys might notice that my house is a little different. I did not listen to that comment, but my friend did my house. Okay, just Pepper and Jules.
Yeah.
By the way, this is yeah, I did her house, which looks really
good.
good.
We're not on call because how are we supposed to make each other's house? So yeah.
Yeah, we're not on call. We're actually together IRL finally.
Yeah. And guess who is finally tall?
Me. I finally am able to feel tall. Anyways, okay, should be good. Go back to sleep. Oh,
It's probably because
like blanket all the way over here. It's raining really hard. It's cold. It's probably gonna be better by the time the girls wake up to be able to go to school.
No, let me be.
They can still be.
Yeah, let me be the.
So basically, you could be Leah, or is this Lizzie or Leah? I forgot.
Lizzie.
Wait, yeah, that's Lizzie. Also, she's supposed to have her glasses off. It's supposed to be asleep. Headband. Wait.
Let's see what time it is.
But that's like 4:30.
4:30. Yeah, just gonna get ready. So we're not probably like make a video. So no. Hi guys. Today we're going to make a video, but I'm going to try being quiet because like it's the middle of the night that noise?
That's like
And so get ready with me for school. So,
wait, pretend like we're like both YouTubers, so I wake up while you're doing this.
so I'm gonna put some stuff. So I'm gonna put my water bottle in here.
I think basically you packed everything like the night before. So.
I'm gonna bring in my perfume. I don't know why, but I just want to. Oh my god.
Well, to be prepared. Casey's.
I'm going to change, so I'll be right back, guys. Gonna wear this. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. So right now, I'm just gonna hold you guys.
To pretend like she's just sitting there yapping. And then like, hold on,
I'm gonna put you guys here. Pretend that.
Pretend she's just like there yapping. And I'm just gonna change the clip to like 30 minutes. And then like, go get up and get ready. So the clip isn't too long. Okay. So,
Yaps. Alright.
yappity yap now. Okay, yeah, it is.
30 minutes later.
Oh wait, hold on, go on.
Oh my gosh, I forgot my Chromebook. Let me just
Wait, that one's hers and this one's like mine. Or mine, Mia's. Oh my god. Anyways, to get up, get ready. So it's raining, like, oh my gosh. I really don't want to get up and get ready.
Oh wait, I'm going to mark the date. So, oh good morning. Just marking the date.
What are you doing up? You usually don't wake up early.
I just woke up early. I don't know why.
It's raining really hard. I don't know if you guys or not.
Yeah, but our mom is probably going to say we have to go to school. Said she always does that.
Yeah. Remember last time there was hail?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm gonna wake up Leah or Lizzie. Wait, no, Leah. I keep getting names mixed up. Leah, wake up. Yeah, what's going on? We have to get ready to go to school. It's raining. Yeah, no. I'm gonna check my phone. But yeah, get up.
I'm just going to ask Mom. Hey, Mom.
What's
Do we have to go to school today?
let me check my phone. Yeah, you're still gonna go to school today.
Okay.
Anyways, we'll go get ready. I'm gonna go stay in my PJs 'cause I have no work today, so.
I'm going to brush my teeth.
Okay, I'm gonna be with the baby. Anyway, this is a baby's dress for like the future.
Right now, let's go ahead and do my skincare.
Probably all share skincare because her mom refuses to buy them like their
Pretend.
own. They each have their own toothpaste. It's crazy. Why is she carrying her like bag and laptop everywhere? Just like put it down while she's brushing her teeth. Like, oh my gosh.
There we go.
Oh my gosh. This all good.
Pretend this is like
House keys.
Uh-huh.
But okay, let me give you like pretend Leah has to have the house keys like for when they go out. So I'm just gonna, because she's the oldest and most responsible. Okay, here's the house
It's
keys.
me, huh?
Mia.
Are you guys ready yet?
I don't know, just give me a minute. Like, gosh, it's literally 5:31.
We have to get there at 7 a.m.
Yeah, it takes us an hour to get there, so we have to leave by 6. Okay, anyways, I'm not gonna try too hard. I'm gonna
I'll make a video.
That's her brother. It's okay. I'm just gonna change it to this, and I'm just gonna get rid. Okay, there.
Leave it open. Push it open, babe. You gotta push the door all the way over and keep it open.
Just my teeth. Okay, should be good to go. Oh wait. Let's put this on. And I don't want this clip to be too long because we made this earlier and then the clip was too long. So
I forgot to like, take a shower, so I'm just gonna put my
take
stuff
a
in.
shower. Girl, you already dressed.
Just pretend that you know I'm taking it.
Pretend like that she wasn't dressed yet. Like she's just taking a shower. Totally doesn't have AirPods and her glasses in.
I wear glasses when I take a shower.
What you do?
Yes, sometimes.
What?
But my mom sometimes doesn't. It makes me doesn't wear it. Just, I don't
You're
know
not
why.
supposed to wear it in the shower, you know that, right?
Oh my god.
Okay, I think that's good. Okay, it's good. Okay.
And now I'm ready for it.
Okay.
Sorry, I
Yes.
couldn't take some.
Anyways, let's just speed run her get ready. So, like, yeah. Okay. Gotta go get ready. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. Okay, we're ready. We just gotta wait for mom. Yeah. Just...
Bye, guys.
Wait, not ending the video. You gotta wait till it starts recording. Wait, did it? Okay, just like have it in the middle like that. But yeah, just recording. Okay. Okay, when's mom coming? Okay, the baby's from milk. Just gonna drink her stuff. Okay, why did I pack my stuff earlier? Just busy hanging out with the baby. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Gonna bring
A diaper just in case. And an extra pacifier in case she asks for a doggy. But why lotion? She doesn't need lotion. Oh my gosh. Okay, we don't need extra pacifier. Okay, go just like make her stuff. And okay, girls, come on. Oh wait, we need to make her bag too. Okay, so put like their phones in it. Oh my gosh, her glasses are. Okay, let me put my bag. Okay, my phone in my bag. Her phone. Okay, so. Okay, guys.
Hey, girls, did you remember that you guys have a test today?
Nope.
I forgot. Sorry.
It's fine. This class is usually easy. Okay. We already packed your water bottle, so just go. Okay. Why did it sound like you were going to throw up for a second? Are you? Or are you good? Why are you laughing so hard?
I don't know. Oh my god, my eyes. If I wear glasses, it's not that bright. If I take them off, it's bright. I get them.
Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways. You're under a blanket because it's cold where we were. Like, oh my gosh, it's so freezing. Anyways, okay, Okay, let me grab my wallet so I can buy breakfast on the way. Because we're leaving kind of early. I don't feel like making you guys breakfast. So come on. By the way, you guys are I'm gonna pick you guys. Well, actually, you guys are gonna have to take like the bus back. Okay? Okay. Oh wait, I've left her crow back up there, but it's fine. I don't think she needs it. Okay, core.
Guys, don't mind, the corn.
The what?
Oh my god.
Yeah, the core is like kind of ugly. Yeah, I'm calling my own house ugly because the car's ugly. I don't like the car, but like, it's like their camper van.
But guys, so don't call this ugly because, she needs her iPad to get fixed and she tried before, but they couldn't fix it and she doesn't have any packs. So please don't be rude. Kids-friendly channel.
Oh my god. Yeah, it is. That's my chair. That's basically my chair. Okay. Okay, well, there's a Dunkin' right on the way. Here goes. You guys can stay in the car. I'm gonna go grab you guys some food. Okay. Guys, we're not ending the video. We're just like ending the clip. Okay. It's raining. Should brown, and I'm gonna be wet. Anyways, one donut box and a coffee, please. Okay, here and here. Okay, thank you. Please record.
Okay.
Bye.
All she did is just scan the card, not pay.
Well, that's how you pay. You scan your card.
And there you go,
That's a way to
bye-bye.
pay. That's the way to pay. You scan your card. I'm gonna show you. Okay. Yes, I got you guys food here. The coffee's for me. Y'all are... No, I'm not getting coffee. Well, I call this one. Inhales in like 5 seconds. Okay, I'll get this one then. It's the second best. In my opinion. Okay, I'll get this one. I always get it. Okay. Guys, we're almost to school. What?
Which one? I don't know.
What are you whispering? What was that?
I think that was my mom. I think she farted.
Okay, so
I think she farted.
who's born? Okay, anyways. Ow. Technical difficulties. Hold on.
I'll do this. I'll just play some music in the background.
Why? I could get copyrighted.
Which one should we play?
We could get copyrighted if we play music in the background. Sorry, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys are here. Get out before you guys get late. Okay. What?
Cocomelon.
Don't put Cocomelon. Cocomelon.
The kids say channels. So
Yeah,
we
me
need baby music.
No, that basically means there's no like curse words and stuff like that like kids can watch. Come on. I'm already filming.
Oh. I don't know why I wasn't scared, but I was kind of scared.
Okay, like pretend like the principal isn't there. Like, yeah.
Oh, don't mind the characters because we kind of tried making
This
the rope.
earlier, but like it failed. So yeah.
We took off her rainbow back, and we are not doing that thing.
Doing what?
You know, fight scene.
Yes, we are.
No,
We are.
Bro usually broke his nose.
Gonna spoil it.
Oh my god. It was just floating with a dot on it.
Can you explain to her? Because I don't feel like explaining that.
Work, 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 work. Ow! All you do is just do.
Yeah, I know. I was being over. It's called sarcasm. Just gotta put that there. Don't mind all the stuff like up here. Just pretend this isn't there, okay? Oh my gosh, this thing still doesn't work. This board still doesn't work, but it's fine.
How do we take that off?
Toca Boca. Okay, wait.
It stopped working.
It doesn't stop. It just can't like draw. Oh my god. Oh, she's playing with the board, guys. Me erasing everything you draw. Okay.
Wait, what we can do, we can color over it and then use the colors and just like.
Yeah,
write
that's what I was
stuff.
trying to do earlier.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, hold on. Just go. Paint the town blue. Oh wait, should I do red? Paint the town red.
What about you try doing the America flag thing?
Do you really want me to try to do that? It'll end up horrible.
Yeah.
Oh,
Grab the blue.
so
And carefully see.
okay, there.
Pretend the green is white, guys.
Okay, wait. How about like just like, how about we write in like red or blue, and then the board's just green. Yeah. Because no one uses. Or actually, wait. I shouldn't say that. Never mind. Okay. You didn't bring your Chromebook? No. Don't think we need it. We probably don't, but still. Yeah. I'll grab the rest of my stuff later. Yeah, true. By the way, it's raining so hard. I can't believe our parents sent us to school. I know, right? Like, oh my gosh. Yeah.
Oh my god, there's a bee.
Oh, I guess that's real.
Okay, sorry.
Sorry, have a song stuck in our mind.
Yeah. It's called
Gnarly.
Gnarly.
Don't.
Can you say who it's from?
Why? Not.
Oh my god.
It's from Cat's Eye. Where? I said it.
Oh,
I mean, it's a song.
make a bite.
For a boy, dumb check.
Wait, can I tell you something?
What?
So, like, at school,
Yeah,
every time when I'm late, oh my god.
Okay, hey guys. Help. We just got like a snack. Okay, welcome class. Today we're learning. Oh my god. Oh wait. We're still using the green color. I'm using a. Okay.
Blah, 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 blah.
Welcome to the Credit One Bank American Express Suite. Cars,
Everyone around leaving messes in there. You know how to keep it.
where you want for exactly what you need. So long as what it is. Rent a car.
So yeah, guys, someone pulled this prank and like won't come out like the thing. Like I did this and then like won't come out like this. Help! How do you get that out?
And if you know how to get it out, please tell her.
Or tell us.
I haven't done it yet, so no. Now you're just putting dots everywhere.
Blah. Okay, go. Do you have guys
Pretend
have your
we-
notebooks?
Pretend
Nope.
we
Go get them.
all
I have
did
this for you, Mama.
our
Oh,
classes.
thank you.
It's a magnet.
Wait, did I get one?
They have your name. This is for her and her mom.
Sorry they didn't have your name, but honestly, kind of. But actually, they spelled my nickname right. They actually spelled it right. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna show you guys yet until like after we leave, cause like then you guys won't be able to find me. Okay, guys, we gotta go get our notebooks. Hurry up. Okay, just look. Our bags. We'll dig in here for our notebooks, bro. Okay, pen. Perfect. And this. Okay.
Pretend they all did their classes.
Oh my gosh. So basically, pretend like it's like half like that they just like gosh, no, never mind. Wait, 'cause that's me just crashing out over that tiny thing. Oh my gosh. Yappity yap.
Everybody writes down.
Okay, I got that correct. Okay. Yappity yapatron.
Oh, and guys, don't forget that we have a test today, sir.
Yeah, we have a test. So close your notebooks and put them on the ground while I pass out the papers. I forgot to study it cooked. Uh-oh.
I feel like I'm going to burp. Not you, Jen.
Sorry, guys.
Just ignore that, guys.
That was totally not me. Okay.
Yes.
You got paper. Spit on me. You get paper, 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 you get paper. Okay, you guys all get papers. Okay. Pretend there's like papers on their desks. They're totally not writing on the table. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Oh man.
Okay, here. Okay, test is over, even though it's only been like 5 minutes. Collects all the tests. Oh. Okay. Sit down.
What am I saying?
Oh god, I'm cooked. I didn't even finish. Me too. Oh my god, we're cooked. Yeah, we are. Wait, is that actually so cold? We're cooked. Because it's cold.
Wait, what grade are we in?
Like, this is like 7th grade, basically.
By the way, we're in 7th grade.
Not IRL, but like in the game.
Yeah.
It's like the...
I keep thinking I'm at home because my cats always make like crazy trouble.
Well, this vacation was whole crazy trouble. But we're not going to talk about that. The yappity Sit down, old man. Okay, it's yappity tron. Yapda.
Alright guys, that is for today. So
Yeah.
ding 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 ding.
Wait, hold on. Pretend like it starts raining really hard.
No, I just missed you. You may go.
No, wait, no. Wait, not yet. Cause, hold on, guys. Hold on. I'm gonna scooch you guys away. Okay, just forget what she said because it's not the end of class for them. Wait.
Ding, ding, ding.
No, not yet.
Okay.
So yes, just, oh my gosh, wait, hold on, guys. Just go.
Why you just
Hold on. Okay, guys, pretend, like, at the school, pretend all the lights went off, because, like, I can only get those two off. Like, these won't turn off. And also, I don't have an Apple Pencil, so it's probably hard. Oh my god. Oh, the wheelchair just goes flying. What just happened? It's so loud.
Goes outside the classroom. Hold on, gotta be right back. Wait, in reality, they can hear him.
Oh my god. Bro, this is embarrassing. No.
This means he's like a 44 years old.
He's not even 44. He's like 70 something. He's like old man.
Probably like 74 or something.
What's your obsession with the number 4? Anyways, it's fine. Wait, can they hear me?
Gold. And then
Probably not.
and then remembers that bro's door is not soundproof because of last time.
Oh my god, my door's not soundproof.
So
Get here.
I'll tell you what happened last time. So somebody was like cleaning the hallways, and then there was music on, and they could hear it in the class, so they just like kind of like stopped doing class until it ended.
Okay. Also, not to offend you, but your breath kind of stinks.
I know.
Sorry.
I just smell nothing.
It's hard to swallow. Okay, anyways.
You guys didn't hear me, right?
Who's gonna tell him? Not me. Not me. Oh my god, not me. Not me. Not me.
I guess I will. Yeah, we did hear you.
Yeah, we heard you crying for like, yeah. So remember last time? Oh my god.
I kind of forgot.
Okay, it makes no difference, but
Oh my god.
okay,
When
well,
will you stop crying?
don't know, but like I feel it's kind of annoying, anyway. Like, oh my god. Anyways, when are the lights gonna turn back on? It's like really dark. I have no clue. It's so weird.
I'm gone. Hold on. Pretend this is the light thingy. Okay, the lights should turn back on.
Pretend they never turn on because like it's raining really hard, and then they hear something just go, like basically like. Okay. Oh my god. Bro, the way it looks with his wrinkles, when he just does that.
It's just lightning. Like I heard lightning like a million times.
Girl, but lightning could kill us even in the building.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, huh?
One time.
From the window. Oh my god.
Can I tell you something? So one time, like, I believe it was like raining.
Wait, is it okay if it goes like here, or do you want me to pause the clip? Okay. 1 second, yeah. It's gonna be 1 second for y'all, but okay, it's recording. See that, guys? I had to go get my hoodie, and we went back to the bedroom because our legs were cold. Don't ask what. Oh, what the? Bro, like, just got. No, TOCA Rp. I didn't mean to do that to TOCA Rp. Okay, you guys are gonna see the full intro of TOCA Rp. TOCA Boca.
Where will we get our gifts?
I don't know, Chucky, this thing. Oh, just
Like today's the 20th.
so let's see.
It said there's no gift.
I know, it's probably, okay. There's not one today, but there will be one soon.
There might be one tomorrow.
I don't know, there might be, I don't know.
Did you forgot that we're recording?
No, I knew that. Totally.
Guys, you got. We know the popular girl is not.
Like, oh. Like, oh my gosh, you guys are such babies. Girl, but like, hold on, look out the window. Pretend there's hail. Because where they live, it like it's snow. Oh my gosh. And like some, oh. So it's basically hail and like lightning and stuff like that.
I've seen those before.
Hail? You've seen hail?
I'm talking about like in the way.
Yeah, like hail. Like,
I mean,
oh my god, there's hail! Not the
I saw them violets. Like I saw them like a million times.
But guys, it's not I'm not saying HE double hockey sticks. I'm saying hail, like the ice shards that fall out of the sky. That. We're doomed. Like, oh my god. By the way, this roleplay was supposed to go like completely different, but we're just changing it because why not? I'm just gonna spoil what it was supposed to be. Yeah, student died. Yeah.
Just because bro broke his nose.
He got surgery and the surgeon killed him. I made the earth but like squarified. By the way, some people think the earth is flat. But it's not. It's literally just like a messed up circle.
You should make earth.
I'm trying to.
Do you know how to do you know how to make Mercury? You just ruined Earth by making a whole time cry.
Okay. That's Mercury. Let's just.
Question mark?
We're just. You ruined my Earth. Where is like.
I'll make Earth for you.
That's fine. We don't need to.
Oh my god, Jules. I got
Jules. No, I didn't. I said Jules. I said Jules.
Before that, you said my name.
No, I didn't.
What you call me?
I did not. By the way, she's not allowed to even say her nickname online. So. I'm gonna see. Yes, there are parts of the board you can't cover. But you guys can't like see our handprint, so it doesn't even look like. Okay, that's Earth. Okay, now let's continue with this role play, please. Let's see. Does my Earth look good? Yes. It looks flawless. People give her compliments. Please give her compliments in the comments about her Earth.
We just said
Done.
We just said comments at the same time.
Jinx.
Jinx again. Jinx again.
Jinx again. Jinx. Wait, no. Jinx again's only if you say jinx at the same time. Okay. You know what? I don't feel like explaining it. Anyways, on with the roleplay. Let's see. Okay, there's hail. I'm calling the principal over because I don't know what the procedure is from here. So yeah. calls principal. Oh, didn't mean open the locker. Okay. Why does he have to call me over here all the time?
Right.
What? There's hail, lightning, and thunder out. And I want my mother. Okay, I'll just take it out from here because you can't handle it.
Everybody gets embarrassed for what he just did.
Okay, just go. Okay. Yeah, then goes to the gravesite because his mom's dead. No, sorry, I'm late. Bro, pretend that's a kid that never shows up to anything, but somehow gets straight A's.
No, that is going to be like the hot boy that everybody likes.
No, wait. Yeah, everyone likes him, but he's never there, basically. Oh my god, it's a kid who's never there that everyone likes. Like, yeah. Wait, I'm gonna remove and like replace.
I don't like him.
That.
He pretend he has a crush on her.
Yeah. Okay, wait, hold on. I'm trying to find like another like guy. So, yeah, why not? Okay.
What did you just say? Because I remember his name.
Another guy, cause like what? No, which one did I say? No, I didn't.
Get a chair and then wait. He needs that chair.
Yeah, he does.
I like how I'm just moving.
It's floating. The ghost chair. Okay, anyways, guys, we're gonna be actually learning stuff in here. What's this class about?
That's way too tall.
What's this class about?
This is like every single class.
The blanket.
Now you just complaining about the blanket.
Oh. Anyways, everyone. Okay, let's get on this. Okay, I think this is like human anatomy and math. Okay, so she starts yapping and like about social studies and stuff like that. They're trying to
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Having drama.
Okay, so puts on like the globe and then just starts yapping. Cool. Hello?
This is the globe. Talks about the globe.
Yeah, this is like a continent. This is this, and there's down here, and then at like bottom you can barely see it. But down like that's Antarctica. Yappity yappity yappitron. Oh my god, wait, it's my heart. It's snowing and hailing out, so you guys are gonna have early. Oh, wrong thing. You guys are gonna have early dismissal. So yeah, go like grab your phone. Oh my god, why did I never turn it today? I never turned it today.
Guys, please say sorry.
How stupid am I? I'm slow right now. Anyways. Okay, go to like your lockers and call your moms, cause like, yeah. Okay, well, I'll just call our mom. Okay. Okay.
No,
wait, okay. Go. Wait, hold on, Julie. Pretend like he likes her. Oh, wait, this lady. This lady likes him, basically.
Wait, so that's going to be like the boyfriend will play?
Like that would be in the future, maybe. I don't know.
Okay. Tomorrow.
Well, we can't do it tomorrow because we're not going to be together tomorrow. It won't let me call, like, that's going to be really hard, so yeah, no. Sorry. Like, anyways, I gotta call my mom.
Okay, we have to do it today, right?
Hey, Mom, it's okay. a half day and it's about to heal. It's like thunder and lightning. So can you close up, please?
That was exactly what I was doing. I'm so sorry.
Okay, yeah, it's a half day.
Fast as you can.
We'll try to get there at Mila. Okay. They're just yapping.
No.
Wait, in her mind. In Mia's mind, okay. Oh my god. Okay, nice. And reality.
Hi.
No, they already said hi. They're just yapping shots. Okay, I don't know what this guy's name is. Guys, please name him.
Yeah, give him Jordan.
No.
Jackson.
No.
Wait, Michael Jackson.
Just think of a name, Mom.
Silver Smatter.
What?
Silver Smatter.
That's a girl, and that's a YouTuber. Oh, you watch her?
Sometimes I do, yeah, but not anymore.
Oh, sorry. Anyways, yeah. I'll be right back. I'm gonna tell my siblings our
I'm
mom's coming.
acting like an old lady.
By the way, our mom's coming, so let's pack up our stuff.
Oh, okay.
Oh, they switched notebooks, bro. Pretending he just he's waiting out there for his mom.
He looks emo, just out, sitting outside.
Stop. What? We just be like, stop. And she should be like, oh.
Who should be the pick-me girl?
This girl is like the popular girl. This one's a pick-me.
Oh, yeah.
And this is like the Mia's bestie.
And then, what about this is like the class bully.
No, like this is a pick-me boy. Do you know what those are?
No.
Okay, good. You are saved. Your brain.
Is your brain rot?
No, it's just not like it's annoying, really bad.
Oh.
It's like oh my gosh. It's basically like a pick-me girl, but like instead of small, it's big. It's like when a pick-me girl's like, I'm too small, blah blah blah. It's like I'm too big, blah blah blah, like that, basically. Yeah, I'm not trying to be cringe, so I'm not doing that. I'm not being cringe that much. Okay. When's her mom coming? Like, oh my god.
Oh god, the baby.
Oh, you stop every time I say, oh my god. Oh my god, I beat. Where's the mother? Mom. Guys, you need to search for the mom. Oh. Okay, I'm in PJs. I don't want to be here. The baby's in the car, so hurry. Okay, oh my gosh. You left the baby in the car? Oh my god.
Not them just walking like waddle, 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 waddle.
Oh, never mind, I have time.
Oh my god, girl. Darling.
Darling, you may smell like roses, but you reek of desperation.
You know I'm
Whoa.
Gabriella. Darling. Wait, do I sound like her? Darling. I know you smell like roses. But that's desperation. You know I'm Gabriella.
You may smell like roses, but you reek of desperation.
You know I'm Gabriella.
Nice. Oh my gosh, her pimple patch just came off.
I'm sorry about that. My face stay on for a whole entire day.
Pimple patches do stay on for a whole entire day. Get rid of pimples. Oh. Oh wait, pretend she drank her coffee already. Don't mind that it was still sitting there. Okay guys, like tell me everything about your day, how crazy it was, because mine was pretty crazy about work. Well, yeah, I worked from home today because I said no work, I come in the office. Oh, power outage, our teacher started crying when we couldn't hear him. Yeah, stuff like that. It's pretty embarrassing. Okay, nothing much. Yeah, nothing much. Oh, we're home, so like, yeah, let's get the baby. By the way, this guy's out. What? Maybe. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Remember that like piercing thingy?
The what? Wait, pretend they are right into. I'm getting lazy sometimes. I get like a little bit lazy. So pretend they're like, in the elevator and they're going upstairs.
Oh, so remember those like things like you can choose other YouTubers to like, you know, like comment or something?
No. Like you can't choose YouTubers to comment. YouTubers comment at their choice.
No. So like remember like when
The collab thingy? I don't know how to work it. Okay, anyways, just gonna put my stuff down for folks. We never got assigned homework, so yeah. Not yet. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're just gonna put our stuff there, grab our phones.
Wait, so for your like fourth video, you should do like a pick me video.
Oh my gosh.
With the pick me girl.
You're spoiling ideas, bro. You're spoiling ideas.
Sorry.
Bro, her water bottle stayed here the entire time. Mia. Okay. Mia, you left your computer here. Oops.
Sorry.